Hey friends, so I updated my Facebook business page shop a couple of days ago, and apparently it triggered a lot of questions. And so I've seen a lot of you adding to your shop one item at a time. So I wanted to show you how to do that differently. Upload a ton of things at once. So you can see if you go to my business page to shop, all of these were inputted at once, and I didn't have to do it one at a time. So what you want to do is you want to go to business.facebook.com. This is best on a desktop, of course. I think everything when it comes to this kind of stuff, best on a desktop. Business.facebook.com. Over on the left-hand side, I'm gonna click on Commerce. Then I'm gonna click on Catalog, and then let's go ahead and look at the first section. So this shows me everything that I have in my shop. So when I first started doing this, I would come to items, I would do add items, add one item, and I would go through this process for each individual one, and it took forever. So instead, we're going to click on add multiple items. So here you can see there's 3 different choices. We are going to work with the data feed. So use a spreadsheet like Google Sheets to add and update your items automatically. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose that and click on next. Again, it asks us, do we wanna upload a file, do we wanna schedule a feed, or do we wanna use Google Sheets? We wanna use Google Sheets. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that, and then next. I'm gonna go ahead and skip this and go next again. Now this is where you're gonna paste in your spreadsheet, and don't worry, I'm gonna give you one. Now, since I already have a spreadsheet, I'm not going to enter it in here again, but you can see right here, after you paste your Google Sheet, we're gonna schedule the updates. You get to choose how often do you want Facebook to look at your spreadsheet. Do you wanna look at it hourly, daily, weekly? How do you want them to do that? And you'll complete the settings. So once it's uploaded, it's going to be over here in data sources. So we can see here that mine is automatically going through an update right now as I'm recording this. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this. And then if I come over to settings, I can see that it's active, it's pulling every hour. And if I just made an update, I can come and click request update now. But let me show you this spreadsheet. And up here at the top, this learn more about data sources, this is going to give you a ton of information about what should the spreadsheet look like? What are other things that you can have in your spreadsheet? So this is my spreadsheet. I'm gonna show you how simple it is. It probably took me about an hour to put all of these in, but once they're in, I can make the changes here to the spreadsheet, like change the price or mark it as inactive if it goes away. But let me show you how to add this. I'm gonna add in a warmer. I have my website up right here, and I'm gonna add in an element warmer. Let's do take a stand. I am going to insert a row, and the first one is the ID. So I come up to this up here, and I just take this number because this is specifically the take a stand warmer. I'm gonna copy that, paste it in there. I'm gonna copy the take a stand warmer, paste it in there. Then I'm gonna grab the description, paste it in there. It is in stock and it's new, so I'm just gonna drag those down. It is 45 USD. I'm gonna grab the link, copy, paste, and then right here it wants the image link. All you have to do is come to the image, right click, copy image address, and then we can paste it in right there. So then if we come back over here and we can request a new update. So you can see we have 85 items. Last time we had 84. So I'm gonna come back over to my items and let's search for stand. And there it is, in stock. So let's go to my shop. Let's refresh and do a search for stand. And there it is. Super, super simple. So now whenever you post on Facebook on your business page, you can tag items from your shop. That makes it super easy for people to make a purchase from your post. It's as easy as that. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll see you next time.